What's going on, guys? I don't know if you can tell or not, but it is a legit blizzard out here right now, and I figured what better time to go for a hike. This is my absolute favorite weather to be outside, out in the woods, and this just rocks. I've been outside all day in this crap. Love it. Junior's digging it too. We're out at our favorite place, 7 Mile Creek. What do you think, Junior? Gonna do about a 3-mile loop, and hopefully the roads are all right by the time we leave here. Probably not, but it was pretty shifty on the way here. Low visibility, but it's all in good fun. No excuse to not get out and touch grass. This stuff rocks. Or snow today in this instance. Check you later.